Launch Gaming here, guys. Welcome to the Ark series. Yeah. So, guys, yeah, guys. So, without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So, guys, last off, yeah, as you can see, I have a little upgraded, clothes. Like it's made of hide. Actually, what happened? I recorded the video for this, and it didn't came out. It was not able to just get saved in my library. So sorry about that. The video didn't. So guys, as I told, today's video is really gonna be special because today we are going to tame a raptor. I know it's really, awesome. We are gonna have our first, deadly dino. And if you guys don't know, raptors are one of my favorite dinos in Ark. So let's just quickly go and make a channel for it. Then just collect all the resources and all. So yeah, before we do that, I've already prepared, like I went off cam and I collected some narco berries with my parasaur and some raw meats, to make ourselves these narcotics. If you guys don't know, I also crafted this thing. Yeah, so we can I'm hungry. Let me just quickly eat first. So we can make ourselves some narcotics, make ourselves some trank arrows, and finally tame bigger creatures, like stronger creatures, like maybe triceratops, raptor and all. So yeah, I'm not gonna take that much risk, using a slingshot. I'm gonna use some trank arrows, so like it just gets knocks out really easily. Now the main thing about raptors is that they are really damn fast. You can't literally outrun them. Like it's not like a triceratops, it's not a parasaur, it's not a dillo or even a dodo. Like you can outrun them all. But raptors are damn fast. They're really fast. You can't outrun them, and they have this special attack, pounce attack. When they pounce on you, you just instantly, they just keep fighting you, and you just die. So to prevent that, I got a special tool which we used to tame a parasaur as well. Is known as a bola. So yeah, guys, well, I've crafted 2 bolas, and of course that won't be enough, because raptors usually live in packs, so there may be 2 or 3, so I have to make at least like 4 and 5 bolas. So I will be back in a second. I will also craft some trank arrows, because using these narcotics I totally made 26 narcotics. Yeah guys, so I will be back in a minute. So yeah, without just wasting time, let's just get right into it. As you can see, I've crafted 7 bolas. I also gathered an ascendant bow and also a normal bow with me, primitive bow. Actually, I took the ascendant just in case if the level is too low for the raptor and we don't want to tame it, I can just kill it off. And primitive bow for the trank arrow shooting, because raptors don't have that much health. So if you use ascendant bow while taming them, they may just die. Now let's just get right into it. Okay, I'm here. I think I was hearing some raptor voice. Okay, let's just get ready with our bola. We don't know when it's gonna pop us in front of our face. Yeah, I found a raptor over here, according to me. Oh my god, that's a 140. That's a really high one. Nice, okay. Is that a raptor? Oh, that's a raptor, guys. But I'm not sure what level it is. Okay, level 40. Holy, I think it's gonna die. Oh my god, okay. Let's just be quick. Come on over here, raptor. Come fast. Follow me. Come on. Yes. Oh god, come on. That's not fair. I used a bola. Okay, nice. Let's take the trank arrows. Now shoot in its face. Yes, let's go, guys. It's unconscious. Now let's just quickly. It's a pretty high level, and we were lucky. Its HP was really low. Let's just quickly. Well, not. Let's just. Okay, guys. So it's a female. I will see you guys in a minute, guys. When it's all tamed up, when it's about to done. Okay, I'll see you later then. 17. It will come out great, guys. Let's go. I'm really happy. It doesn't, it didn't take that much arrows, trank arrow. At first I was thinking that I will just find, normal low level like 15 or 5. I was too scared, maybe. But thanks to the, those turtles, the red one, which just got killed by him. Oh, let's go, guys. We caught our first ever raptor, guys. Let's go. Let me grab it, and it's almost, yeah, it's morning. Beautiful, guys. Now we can finally make its raptor, its saddle. So let's just make him follow us. Come on, buddy. Let's go back to our base. So yeah, thanks to that turtle who just made his HP more low. I just literally had to shoot like, I don't know, 3 or 4 trank arrows in him, and he just got just unconscious by himself. So yep, come past this river. Oh, what level it is? 59, guys. Wow, let's go. It's a really good level. It's not that high, but I think it's good, because I think max level are like in the medium hard difficulty. I think they are up to like 130, so it's kind of a half of 100. So I think it's really good. Yeah, my Parasaur, Dillo, welcome, guys. This is our new guest, a raptor, and it's blue in color. Let me just put off the thing today. Nice. What should we name it, guys? How about Rappy Rap? Let's go. It's a rapping raptor. Beautiful. Rappy Rap. Okay, that's its name. Beautiful. Rappy Rap. Come on, boy. Now let's go and make a saddle for you, my guy. So let's just go quickly inside our base, and we just check what we need in order to make it. So here is the raptor saddle. You need hide. So I think I have enough hide for that, because in the last episode, which I wasn't able to may upload the video, I did a lot of hunting in order to make these armors, and you need like hide. So yeah, I think you also need wood, and what else you need, my guy? Fiber. Now for fiber, I'm less on that, so let me just quickly collect that, and then we will finally ride it and do some little bit of a hunting. Let's just test out its skills. Yeah. And guys, I think we're done. Yes, let's go. Now we can finally craft, guys, the saddle. I'll just wait for it a little, and it's done, guys. I'm really happy we tamed a raptor now. Now at least we have a little bit of strong, a strong dino which can like protect us. Okay, let's just quickly go up and make it EQ. Oh wow, it's purplish and blue. Beautiful. Nice. I'm so excited to watch it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's just put the hides back, even the woods, and let's eat some little bit of berry. Meat. Transfer these berries as well. Okay, no, I can't. There are 15 slots already. Okay, so my weight is less. Let's just go towards our raptor now. Okay, raptor. Let's just do This is walking, isn't it? Yeah, that's the speed. Wow. I love its color. Its color is the best thing. See, that's the thing I like about raptors. They are really fast. Now guys, let's just go inside, let's do some hunting. let's just start with Dodos first. And if you guys don't know, they have a special attack. So number one, this spam attack normal. You just press the this pipe button. Yeah, they just scratch and spray like this. Number two, which I made by myself, is that just jump and attack. That's more better. It's cooler. Like jump and attack. That's good. And the thing is, as you can see, on your left side of your mobile or iPad, I'm using an iPad, so you just have to swipe down. And now Dodo can't escape. It's under my beautiful, gigantic, scary raptor. Now you just have to bite it. Oh wow, wait just a second. You just have to technically do it. Come on, raptor. You know what? Let's just quickly do the final thing. Let's go. Now let's go somewhere else. Okay, I'm not gonna cross the water, so I'm just gonna jump. Guys, I may not just go there right now because there's Sarko over there, so let's just go that side. And guys, I'm gonna put some, level ups in its way. Let me quickly check its stats. I forgot to check its stats. So health. Okay, it's okay. How about I want to see the melee damage. Okay. Nice. Its stamina is good. Its health is great. Its health is the highest right now for currently. Overall, it's good. Nice. Okay, let's just cross it. And yeah, if you guys don't know, raptors are really bad swimmers, so never take them to the water, especially when they're piranhas. So yep, let's go. Now let's just try our bounce attack in this below. And yeah, another thing, it's really it didn't give a second to try to play. Guys, yep. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm really happy